Earning money through Instagram has become a viable opportunity for many individuals. To start, it's essential to build a substantial and engaged following. This involves identifying your niche, be it fashion, travel, fitness, or any other area of interest, and consistently posting high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Engagement is key. Respond to comments, interact with followers, and create a community around your brand. Once you've established a solid follower base, monetization can take several forms. Brand partnerships are a common avenue, where companies pay you to promote their products or services. This requires a genuine alignment between your content and the brand's message to maintain authenticity. Affiliate marketing is another option, allowing you to earn commissions by promoting products and sharing affiliate links with your audience. Additionally, selling your own merchandise or offering exclusive content through paid subscriptions can provide direct income streams. Success on Instagram doesn't happen overnight. It demands dedication, consistency, and a willingness to adapt to changing trends and algorithms. Setting clear goals, maintaining a regular posting schedule, and continuously engaging with your audience are crucial steps. Remember, authenticity and providing value to your followers are paramount in building a sustainable and profitable presence on the platform.